Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to change flashlight and camera on lock screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down and press and hold on screen and then click on customize lock screen, and here you can see the option minus on camera and flashlight. Click on minus and then click on add, and here you can add anything like dark mode or magnifier, and then click on done. And now click on screen, and here you can see dark mode will be applied or unapplied. So this is the way to change flashlight and camera on lock screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.